So we're starting the job this morning. We've got the outhouse to come down, and we're going to prepare the groundwork. Slabs have got to come up, and then we'll set out for the footings. And this is the job for today, is clearing the site. What we do on this YouTube tutorial is show you how we set out the extension. What we've done here, we've exposed the original concrete from the house, as you can see here, and that's where we start from, is the top of that concrete, and then down about 900 mil or whatever the depth of the concrete is, and then we pull a line through there and through like we're doing now. £100mm of insulation, silver backed, on 600mm of hardcore, and then 100mm of concrete on a 25mm sand blinding. So this all has to be scraped back, as you can see we're doing now, to make ready for that kind of depth. So we're digging the footings down to 1 metre to the top of the concrete. And then the concrete is 225mm deep, and so now we're scraping off the top to make way for the rest of the insulation and the concrete slab. We've taken the centre line from the trench, we've taken the measurements from the wall and off the plan and transferred it down here. As you can see, we're putting a chalk line down, as Pete's doing here now, so that the centre line of the bucket of the digger will follow that, and our trench will be exactly right. It'll be the right spread for the foundation. We'll have a 4-inch cavity, and we've got the inner skin and outer skin, and a good spread with the concrete. So we've got the digger bucket is the right width for the trench, and this is the centre line, as we can see doing now. So it takes a little bit of working out. The groundwork is the hardest part of an extension, and it's the dirtiest part, and it's where all the work goes and you don't see much work. But once this is done, the superstructure, as we say, comes up quickly. We have the problem with the drains here, very shallow, so now we're going to go very gingerly to get across to the final section of the extension.
Two seconds. Thanks, Pete. Okay, so what we've done, we've got a pin and a line, and we've put it in the wall down there, about 3 metres down, and we've pulled it through to this profile, which hit there, it's got to be bang on level, otherwise it won't work. So if we put a level on there, should be good. Okay, right. We've put a notch in here so the line doesn't move, and what we've done it bang on straight, so you've got to eye it through. You've got to look down the line so it's on the wall at all times, touches the corner, but it can't veer off to the right because that will pull the line out away from the house, so into the house. So you've got to make sure it's a straight line, and that will give you a line to your corner. And to double check, we're double checking it with a square, and that's good enough for me. Is that good enough for you, Chris?
Yes.
Okay, the next step is to get your level and transfer it down to the foundation. So what you do, you put your level just next to the line, but not quite touching it. Just like that. And so that would be down here is where you start your brickwork. Okay, how we got the measurements for this line, we took it off the house. I need someone to hold that really, Chris, if you don't mind. And it should be 2925, which it is bang on. Over Chris's head. I think Chris is on the side at the minute. Bit confusing. Yeah. We've got 2925. 2925 again. Bang on. So we had a problem with the footing because down here we had pipes. We had to get across. So like the foundation couldn't come over the pipes. So what we've had to do, the footing is running downhill a little bit. It is level up to halfway, and with this level half, we're just going to have to cut the bottom of the blocks just to bring the level round so we're square for like when we get up to damp course, and when we get to damp course we'll just be straight up.
Right, as we said, as Chris has just said, we've transferred levels across from 6 courses below the damp course on each end. We know that end's perfectly right, so we've transferred the level across here, and as we showed you, there's a pile of bricks onto that same course, and we've levelled across like this and got the level completely across to here. And so we'll find out exactly where the foundation is out by putting a line on this end and a line on that end, and then go to the line. And that's how we're going to do that. And it doesn't matter so much what's underneath the ground, it's when it comes up, it's got to come up level above damp course. Okay, so that's how we've transferred our levels, to get over this problem with the foundation that's gone in on level. Okay, see you in a minute.
Okay, what we've done here, we've took the level from this corner of the building. We are assuming that this is going to be level all the way across, but even if it's not, we're going to carry on with the building, otherwise it will look out. So we've got the level from the 6th course below the damp, which is where we've started over here, and we've like levelled across, and we've got it on our brick here. This brick here is just so when we put our line up, it will give it a bit more stability. And then we're going to run in from here, these blocks down there.
Okay, the first bricks are down, blocks are down, and we've got the line down the bottom there, all squared in.
Oh, it's bang on, isn't it? Can I say?
Okay, we've transferred the level, as you can see, and we've put the line down on that block, and we're going to lay it down to this block, and we can see exactly where we're out, and we're going to lay to the line.
Have a bit of muck on the end of your trail like so. Come around. It's going to take 2 perps here. 1. 2. Grab the block. So to lay a block to a line. Yeah.
Yeah, you have to really learn. It gets easy after a while.
Yeah, oh yeah, after a while it does.
A skill is always acquired, right?
Of course it is.
And
Come on. Grab a bit of cocoa. Need your trowel. You need your trowel so it's directly. Oh, come on. So you try and do it on camera, but it just don't work, does it?
Yeah, just work.
I'll just work. Just film you working.